Now next type of isomerism is stereoisomerism. So this stereoisomerism again divided into two types. First one is geometrical isomerism, and next one is optical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism. Here geometrical isomerism can exhibit two types of coordination compounds. One is square planar complex. Second one is octahedral complex. Now coming to geometrical isomerism. What is geometrical isomerism? Generally, geometrical isomerism is around that central metal atom ligands are present. The ligands are present in various positions around the central metal atom, and here similar ligands are present in same adjacent, then it is called cis. And when similar ligands are present in opposite direction, it is called trans. Okay, so the geometrical isomers again divide into two types, cis isomer and trans isomer. So what is cis isomer? So cis isomer is nothing but the ligands are present in same adjacent, so it is called cis isomer. When ligands are occupies in opposite direction of the central metal atom, it is called trans isomer. Now we will discuss about square planar complex. In the square planar complex, which kind of compounds exhibit the geometrical isomerism? Now we will discuss. So Ma2B2 type and MAB twice, and MAB or Ma2BC type and MABCD type of the compounds exhibit the geometrical isomerism. Now Ma2B2. So if you take diammonia dichloroplatinum 2, so exhibit the cis isomer and trans isomer. Cis isomer of this compound is utilized in cancer treatment, and trans isomer is also there. So what is cis isomer? So platinum NH3 and NH3 and Cl and Cl. This is called cis isomer, and this compound is used for treatment of cancer. And next, platinum NH3 and NH3 and Cl and Cl. Similar kind of ligands are present in opposite direction, so it is called as a trans. Okay, so that is the first kind of example. So now if you take MAB twice, now I'll take MAB twice. So platinum, so glycine twice. So here AB is called as a unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. So glycine belongs to unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. Let us take glycine formed by NH2 CH2 C double bond O minus. So this is called glycine. And here, so platinum NH2 CH2 C double bond O minus, and NH2 CH2 C double bond O minus. So now same kind of atoms are present in same site, so this is called as a cis isomer. Now coming to trans isomer, so platinum NH2 CH2 C double bond O, and here O C double bond O and CH2 and H2. So here nitrogen similar molecules are present in opposite direction, So this is called as a trans isomer. So like that we can describe the cis and trans isomer in MAB2 twice compound. Okay. So now we'll take another example, Ma2Bc, and how the cis and trans isomer exist in Ma2Bc we'll discuss. This is Ma2Bc type of example. So this ammonia is present in same site, so it is called cis, and if same compound that NH is present opposite direction and Cl and Br, so it is called trans. Okay, so that is Ma2Bc. Now coming to MaBCD. In case of MaBCD, so we can take platinum, NH3 and pyridine, H2O and NO2. So 4 different types of ligands are present. So if one type of ligand is fixed in position, so 3 different types of ligands can be rotated among that position, so that it forms a 3 types of isomers. Okay, so PT, NH3, H2O and PY and NO2. So here pyridine and H2O is exchanged. And one more example is that platinum and H2O and NO2 and pyridine and NH3. See here H2O, pyridine and NO2 position is changes. So like that here 3 types of geometrical isomers are exhibited by MaBCD. Okay, so this is about square planar complex. Okay, now isomerism is geometrical isomerism in octahedral complex. How the geometrical isomerism is exhibit in octahedral complex, now we will discuss. In order to understand that geometrical isomerism in octahedral complex, now we have to understand cis and trans position. Okay, let us take this. So this is octahedral complex. Okay, so let us assume this is octahedral complex, and here this pen is, let us assume this is, so this is axial position. 1 minute. So this is central metal atom, and this is ligand, and this is ligand, and this is ligand, and this is ligand, and this is axial position. So this is octahedral complex. This is octahedral complex. So this is central metal atom. So this is central metal atom. So this is ligand. Above and below that ligand is present, and the number should be given like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and below 6. Okay, so like that this is above position, so the ligand is 1, and this is this ligand, and 2 and 3, and after that 4, and after that this one is 5, and below this one is 6. Okay, so like that we can consider that ligands. Now if you see here, so this is downward direction, so this is one phase, downward phase. So this is 6, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and this is upward phase, and here 2, 3, 4, 5. Upward phase same kind of ligand are present, and downward phase same kind of ligands is present. Okay, this is one phase and downward is another phase. Okay, if ligand is present and this position and first position and sixth position, it is called trans. So this is one phase and this is another phase. If similar ligands are present in opposite direction, opposite phase, then it is called as a trans. Otherwise the trans may be happen when this ligand is present in opposite direction in similar phase, like So this is third position and this is fourth position and fifth position, third and fifth opposite direction. If similar ligands are present in opposite direction, this is also called trans, and similar ligands are present in opposite direction, this position is also called trans. Okay, and this one is also called trans. Okay, so 5 and 3 is trans, and 2 and 4 is trans, and 1 and 6 is trans. Like that we can assume that the position of the ligands in a octahedral complex. See, in a octahedral complex, Ma4B2 type of the complex compound exhibit geometrical isomerism, and MAA twice and B2, and MA3B3 and MA3B2C type of complex exhibit geometrical isomerism. And one more example is there, that is MA2B2C2 and MABCDEF type of coordination compounds exhibit the geometrical isomerism. First one is Ma4B2. Let us take Ma4B2. How the cis and trans exhibit by Ma4B2? We'll take some examples. See here, let us take Ma4B2 CO NH3 4 times and Cl2, and here coordination pair. On the coordination pair it may be plus or minus charge are present. Now this complex compound have positive charge on them, so that's where, so positive charge. And here that cobalt is central metal atom. Let us take, this is upper phase, so chlorine, this is below phase. Okay, and here NH3 and NH3 and NH3 and NH3 is present. Now in this case, in Ma4B2 type of compound, the cis and trans can be identified by using of Cl2. Okay, Cl2, otherwise here B2. So now Cl2 is in different phases. So this is upper phase and this is below phase. So we already discussed that. So this is upper phase and this is below phase, and so it is called as a trans isomer. This is trans isomer, and another trans isomer also there. So if you take CO NH3, otherwise if you take Cl and NH3 and NH3 and Cl and NH3, so this is another trans isomer. Okay, so Cl is in opposite position, and here Cl is in opposite position. So these two compounds are similar. Okay, and now if we take CO Cl and Cl and NH3 and NH3 and NH3, this is also called as a similar position. The chlorine is present on similar position, similar side, so it is called cis. Okay, so above structure we are calling as trans. This two trans structure is similar, so if you assume in 3-dimensional, so it is same. And here in the cis direction, in the cis form, so the chlorine is present in same side. Okay, so let us take, this is one type of pair planar complex, and here Cl is present and here Cl is present, so same side is Cl is present, so it is called as a cis. Okay, and now another possibility is there. If you consider CO and NH3 and Cl and Cl and NH3 and NH3 and NH3, so this is also called as cis. Okay, So this cis form and this kind of cis form is similar, okay, and this transform and this transform is similar kind of compounds, okay. So that is the geometrical isomerism in Ma4B2. Now coming to MAA twice and B2. Now MAA twice B2. So AA is called symmetrical bidentate ligand. So like EN, ethylene diamine, okay. So let us take CO and Cl, Cl, ethylene diamine, and here ethylene diamine, okay. So here the chlorine is present in same phase, okay, so it is called as a cis. If chlorine is present in opposite phase, so then it is called as a trans. So this is called trans, okay. Cl is present in different phases, so it is called trans. This trans is also can be represent like this: CO, Cl and Cl. It is also called trans. And here ethylene diamine, and this is ethylene diamine, okay. This position is also called trans, and this position, this trans and this trans is equal. So if you observe in a three-dimensional way, so the Cl is present in opposite direction, so it is also equal to this trans isomer, okay. So like that cis and trans can be identified in the MAA twice and B2. So in the first case, two types of trans isomers can be exhibited, and MAA twice and B2 also two types of trans isomers can be exhibited. And MA3B3 we are calling as a merodynamic phase cell. How the merodynamic phase cell can be exhibited, we will discuss now. M, A and A and A, and this is B, B and B. If the ligands are occupied in same position, so this is called phase isomer. So these similar kind of ligands are occupied in same side, so it is called phase isomer. And it is occupied like this, so it is called as a mer isomer. So because that BB is in trans position, such kind of isomer is called trans isomer or mer isomer, okay. So this kind of isomer can be exhibited in the case of Ma3B3, and Ma3B3 also two types of geometrical isomerism can be exhibited, okay. So this is Ma3B3. Similarly Ma3B2C, we can observe three types of geometrical isomerism. Just you remember. So if you draw that geometrical isomer, you can three types of geometrical isomers. And Ma2B2C2, here 5 types of geometrical isomers is possible. How the 5 types of geometrical isomers is possible? Now I will draw that. Let us see Ma2B2C2 case. Ma2B2C2 case, and here see CC is present in adjacent, so it is treated as a CC cis, and DB cis, and AA is in opposite direction, so it is called AA trans. First case is AA trans, and second case is all are cis, okay. So how the all are cis? So here AA is in same phase, okay. If you observe here the paper, and so this is axial, so A is present, and here A is present, so A, so it is cis. And BB, so how the BB is present? So here, so B, so this is B, and below is B, so this adjacent B and below B is treated as the same phase, so it is also cis. And now in the case of CC, it is also same, okay. So all are in cis conditions. So this is second case is all are cis. And now, so third condition, all are trans. So BB is in trans and CC is in opposite, so it is also trans. A is trans, so it is all are in trans. And now fourth condition is, and CC is trans, so this C and C is trans, remaining BB and AA is in cis position. So like that, here this CC trans, and one more trans is there, that is BB trans. B is trans and CC is in cis mode and AA is also cis mode. Like that, here 5 types of structures can be observed, 5 types of geometrical isomers can be observed. In the first case, AA become trans and CC and BB is cis. And second case, all are in a cis mode. So here AA is in cis and CC is in cis, BB is in cis. And in the case, this third case, BB is trans and remaining AA and CC is cis. And now, if you take in third case, all are in a trans. Okay, AA is in trans position and CC is in trans position and BB is in trans position. Now in the this case, so CC is in trans and remaining BB and A is in cis position. So like that, here Ma to B to C2 can be exhibited 5 types of geometrical isomers. And if all the ligands, 6 type of ligands are different, and here 15 types of geometrical isomerism can be possible. If you draw it, so you will get 15 types of geometrical isomers. Okay, Ma4B2 exhibit 2 types of geometrical isomers, and Ma8 twice B2 is also exhibit 2 types of geometrical isomers. Ma3B3 exhibit 2 types, and Ma3B2C exhibit 3 types of geometrical isomers, and Ma2B2C2 exhibit 5 types, and MACDBEF 15 types of geometrical isomers can be possible. Okay, this is different types of geometrical isomers in octahedral complex. Now in the next class we will discuss about optical isomers. That optical isomers exhibit only octahedral complex. Which kind of octahedral complex compounds exhibit the optical isomerism we will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you.